Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you might normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good-sized move compared to where it was and now where it closed today. Yeah, this has been a nice little move, but that brings up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question pretty straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is down there at 34 cents. Why is 34 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So keep that in mind in regards to 34 cents. Any sort of closes below 34, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back down to where it was within that range. Again, truly strong moves don't go back, they progress forward. Whereas if the price were to come down here, bounce around, and then head back up, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here, and then you'd have this set of lows down there. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, now, hey, you got some stair steps moving in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So to me, all about 34 cents. You got to see if the bulls are making progress, and I'm defining progress as staying up above that 34-cent mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First key level of resistance, just simply where the party kind of stopped today, and that's right up there at 37.5 cents. And then after 37.5, next key one up there around 39 cents. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going into next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.